Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Jastop Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, and let me tell you, this thing is a game changer for your cleaning routine. With a powerful 550W45 kPa suction, the Jastop Flash 1 vacuum cleaner is equipped with an upgraded brushless motor, delivering strong suction power to effectively clean dust, pet hair, pet food, coffee beans, grains, scraps, and more. It provides deep cleaning for your home, leaving every surface spotless. But that's not all. This cordless stick vacuum has a runtime of up to 60 minutes, ensuring a thorough cleaning of your entire home. Plus, with the all-in-one LED display, you can easily monitor the suction mode, remaining battery value, and receive alerts when the vacuum is clogged, making your cleaning experience more convenient and efficient. The 7-layer whole machine filtration system captures 99.99% of particles and expels cleaner air, and the scented sheet filter layer provides a pleasant fragrance while cleaning. Plus, the V-shaped upgraded brush reduces hair entanglement, and the 1.5L dust cup is easy to empty with the push of a button. So, if you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, be sure to check out the Jastop Cordless Vacuum Cleaner and the link in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and tips on the best home cleaning products. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.